This video introduces a new Salesforce deployment tool called Gearset Deploy. Gearset Deploy makes it easy to move changes around your Salesforce environments and work better with your team. To get started, visit gearset.com and sign up to download our fast installer. Gearset Deploy is now installed. Gearset Deploy makes it easy to move changes around your different environments. This can be sharing changes between two developers, moving from development to QA. In this test, I'm just going to pretend that my colleague Matt has made some changes in his organization that I want to have in mind. To do that, I specify Matt's organization as the source. I have these connection details saved from before, and my organization as the target. These are two dev orgs, but you can of course use development, production, or sandbox. You then select Compare Now, and behind the scenes Gearset Deploy will use the Salesforce APIs to download all of the metadata for both organizations. Gearset Deploy then analyzes this metadata and does some advanced transformations to enable things like dependency analysis, profile deployment, and permission sets. Here we can see the results of our comparison. We can see all of the objects in our two organizations. We can see the objects that are new, so they only exist in Matt's organization but not in mine. Here's this work that he's been doing, this click to dial work, and he's also done some additional work with the billing calculator. We can go and look at all of the objects in the organization, including those ones that are the same, just to make sure that they match up and we have what we expect. But let's just go back and get this dial work. So we don't want the billing calculator, so let's just filter to only select objects that have dial in the name. Select all of those, and then press Next. This looks right, so let's go ahead and deploy it. What Gearset Deploy is now doing is building a custom package that includes just those changes that we wanted. So we've got the dial work, but not any of the billing work. It's going to upload that package to my organization to add all of the objects. And that's it, finished. If you like what you've seen in this video, go to gearset.com and get started. Deployments don't need to be stressful.